Hello everyone, and a warm welcome. I'm here today to talk to you about a common challenge faced in every commercial kitchen: degreasing. It's a task that requires a lot of effort, time and of course, the right cleaning product. Since 1987, we've been committed to providing professional cleaning solutions. And today, we're excited to introduce you to our heavy-duty multi-purpose cleaner, Sylvester Keel Hard Surface Cleaner. Now, what makes our hard surface cleaner stand out? It's designed specifically for water-resistant hard surfaces. That means it's perfect for all those tough spots in your kitchen. It works wonders on stainless steel floors, extraction canopies, cookers, and fryers. But that's not all, it's also suitable for laminate tiles and paintwork. I know how challenging it can be to keep a commercial kitchen clean. But with our hard surface cleaner, we're making that task a little bit easier for you. This product is a result of our years of experience and dedication to providing you with the best cleaning solutions. So, you can trust it to do the job right, every time. So, whether you're a potential customer looking for a new cleaning solution, or an existing customer who trusts our products, I invite you to try our hard surface cleaner. Experience the difference it can make in your commercial kitchen. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, for all your cleaning needs, we're here to help. Contact our friendly team to embark on a journey of culinary excellence. Give us a call. Email us. Visit our website. Sylvester Keel, crafting culinary dreams, one kitchen at a time.